Hey y'all, and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. It is time to get those crock pots out because it is that time of the year when the weather starts to get a little bit cooler and you're starting to think about what you want to make on those nice, cool fall nights. So y'all get your crock pots out because I'm going to share with you 4 different unique chili recipes. So let's get started. We're going to start off with our 3-meat slow cooker chili. If you like meat, this chili is for you. Grab yourself 1 pound of ground beef and ground sausage. Brown that up really well and drain any excess grease that is remaining. To our greased crock pot, go ahead and add your browned meat mixture. 1 pound of cooked and crumbled bacon. 3 cans of drained and rinsed kidney beans. 1 can of drained whole kernel corn, 2 cans of tomato sauce, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and 2 packets of chili seasoning. Stir all of your ingredients together until well combined. Now place your lid on your slow cooker and cook on low for 4 hours or until heated all the way through. I served our chili up with some delicious melty grilled cheese sandwiches. Then I topped it off with some sour cream and some sharp cheddar cheese. Now on to our white bean chicken chili. You're going to start off with 4 cans of Great Northern beans. I did not rinse these beans. I went ahead and added the juice and all to the crock pot. Here I have the meat of 1 small rotisserie chicken that I pulled off the bone. You don't have to use as much chicken in your chicken chili as I did, but it is so good, y'all. Now we're adding 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1 16-ounce jar of salsa. Now I'm adding 1 8-ounce package of pepper jack cheese that I shredded by hand. Now go ahead and give your chili a really good stir until everything is well combined. So I went ahead and added another 1/2 cup of chicken broth because I wanted my chili to be a little bit more on the soupy side. Now stir everything up well once again. Place that lid on top of your crock pot and cook on high for 4 hours or until heated all the way through. Now I did serve this up with some delicious cornbread fritters, and I did top this off with some sour cream and sharp cheddar cheese. Now on to our sweet potato chili. This chili right here is the most unique out of all 4 of these recipes. You'll want 2 sweet potatoes, 1 onion, and 1 red bell pepper. Chop those up. Then go ahead and add these ingredients to your crock pot. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, 1 can of drained and rinsed kidney beans, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Now go ahead and add 1 1/2 cups of water to your crock pot. Give your chili ingredients a really good stir until well combined. Now go ahead and close the lid on your crock pot and cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. Now once your sweet potatoes have started to soften, go ahead and take a few of those sweet potatoes out of your crock pot, mash those up, and then place them back in your crock pot. This chili right here is perfect for all of my vegetarians out there. Last but not least is our ultimate creamy chicken chili. Go ahead and add 3 cans of Great Northern beans that have been drained and rinsed. 2 cans of chicken broth. Now make sure you shake up these cans well before adding to your beans. Now we're adding the meat off of 1 medium-sized rotisserie chicken. You don't have to add as much meat as I did, y'all, but it is so good. So now we're adding 2 cans of green chilies that have been diced. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 2½ teaspoons of ground cumin. Now go ahead and add 1 8-ounce package of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Now give this a really good stir until it's all well combined. Now place your lid on the top of your chili and cook on high for 4 hours. Now 30 minutes before serving, go ahead and open up your crock pot and add 1 16-ounce tub of sour cream. This is so good, and this is what makes it super creamy, y'all. So go ahead and stir that sour cream in until it's all well combined into your chili. Now heat your chili up for about another 30 to 45 minutes until it is nice and hot. I served our chili up with some delicious cornbread fritters. Then I topped off with some delicious tortilla strips and shredded Monterey Jack cheese. So which one of these chili recipes do you think you will enjoy the most? Put that down in the comments section below because I would love to know. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. And if you did, please hit that like button and please do consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.